Uniswap value equivalent to $4.9900 a coin. The present reach: $4.8182, $5.1126. The earlier day close: $5.1109. The change was 0.1209, 2.37%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for November 2023. To start with, cost at $4.15. Greatest cost $5.47, least cost $4.01. The normal for the month $4.63. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.89, change for November 17.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $4.89. Most extreme cost $6.78, least cost $4.40. The normal for the month $5.20. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.73, change for December 3.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.73. Greatest cost $4.73, least cost $4.10. The normal for the month $4.49. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.41, change for January 6.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with, cost at $4.41. Greatest cost $4.82, least cost $4.19. The normal for the month $4.48. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.50, change for February 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WOC 2024. Before all else, cost at $4.50. Most extreme cost $4.50, least cost $3.52. The normal for the month $4.08. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.78, change for spring 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.78. Greatest cost $4.69, least cost $3.78. The normal for the month $4.16. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.38, change for April 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $4.38. Most extreme cost $4.92, least cost $4.28. The normal for the month $4.55. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.60, change for May 5.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with, cost at $4.60. Greatest cost $4.60, least cost $3.94. The normal for the month $4.35. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.24, change for June 7.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.24. Greatest cost $4.24, least cost $3.55. The normal for the month $3.96. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.82, change for July 9.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with, cost at $3.82. Greatest cost $3.82, least cost $3.31. The normal for the month $3.63. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.56, change for August 6.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.56. Most extreme cost $3.77, least cost $3.27. The normal for the month $3.53. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.52, change for September 1.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.52. Most extreme cost $4.37, least cost $3.52. The normal for the month $3.87. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.08, change for October 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at $4.08. Most extreme cost $4.08, least cost $3.35. The normal for the month $3.78. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.60, change for November 11.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $1.23. Most extreme cost $1.40, least cost $1.22. The normal for the month $1.29. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.31, change for January 6.5%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $1.31. Greatest cost $1.31, least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.19. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.10, change for February 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $1.10. Most extreme cost $1.37, least cost $1.10. The normal for the month $1.21. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.28, change for spring 16.4%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Initially cost at $1.28. Most extreme cost $1.54, least cost $1.28. The normal for the month $1.39. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.44, change for April 12.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $1.44. Most extreme cost $1.44, least cost $1.13. The normal for the month $1.31. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.21, change for May 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. To start with cost at $1.21. Greatest cost $1.21, least cost 95 cents. The normal for the month $1.10. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.02, change for June 15.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at $1.02. Most extreme cost $1.26, least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.12. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.18, change for July 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.18. Greatest cost $1.47, least cost